What if you could take a selfie, type a few words, and instantly see yourself in a different outfit, in a new background, or even standing next to a celebrity while still looking like you? That's exactly what Google's newest AI tool can do. It's called Nano Banana, also known as Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. And today I'm breaking down what it is, what it can do, and why it might completely change the way we edit photos. Nano Banana is Google's upgraded AI model for editing and generating images. It was launched in late August 2025, and it's built directly into the Gemini app, Google AI Studio, and also available for developers through the Gemini API. So, what makes it special? First, you can upload a photo of yourself and then tell it what you want to change in plain English. Maybe you want to swap your outfit, change the lighting, or move to a completely different background. The model does the edit, but it keeps your face and identity looking consistent, even across multiple edits. That's a big step forward. It also supports blending multiple photos together, applying styles from one picture to another, and refining edits step by step. Basically, you can keep adjusting until it looks exactly the way you want. Now, how does this help real people like us? If you're a content creator, you can generate portraits, thumbnails, and stylized profile pics without ever opening Photoshop. For small businesses, it means you can create professional-looking product photos and marketing visuals instantly without spending money on shoots. For individuals, it's a fun way to try new looks, backgrounds, or even experiment with virtual try-ons before you buy clothes. Compared to older AI editors, Nano Banana stands out for 3 reasons. It's fast, often under 30 seconds for an edit. It's consistent, meaning you actually still look like you, even after lots of changes. And it's easy to use, since all you need is a natural language prompt like, "Put me in a red jacket on a beach at sunset." Of course, it's not perfect. Sometimes faces look slightly airbrushed or artificial. Some fine details get lost in complex edits. And while Google has built-in visible watermarks and invisible digital fingerprints called Synth ID, people can still crop or alter watermarked images. Privacy is always a concern when you're uploading personal photos, but the potential here is massive. For creators, it means faster and cheaper content production. For businesses, it means better visuals with less effort. And for everyday users, it's giving you editing superpowers that used to require expensive software or professional skills. And this is just the beginning. Imagine real-time video editing, AR filters that work seamlessly with your likeness, or even full 3D avatars generated from a single photo. That's where this technology is heading. So what would you create with Nano Banana? A fantasy portrait? A viral social media edit? A new look you've always wanted to try? Let me know what comes to mind. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the world of AI is moving fast, and this is only the start.